Hello, my name's Linda. Welcome to my channel. If you want to learn how to cook quick meals, save money, and disguise your veggies so your kids will actually eat them, subscribe to my channel. Now, I have a disclaimer. All products mentioned and used in my videos are not sponsored. They're just the ones that I like. If you have a favorite brand, use your favorite brand. And I want to thank everyone that's been making suggestions. If you have more suggestions on what you want to see next on my channel, please submit it to the comments below. I will get them on as soon as possible. Thank you. Enjoy the video. This is a money-saving tip on how to tell if your eggs are still good or bad. You see the ones that submerged under water and touching the bottom, they are good. You see that one that's floating? It is bad. That way you don't have to toss out all your eggs, just the bad ones. I just added some baking soda to the water. It's supposed to actually help it peel easier. My next step would be to drain the water out of there, put cold water in to stop the cooking, then I'll crack the entire shell all the way around and put it back in some cold water. So I'll be back after I drain it. Now what I'm going to be doing is adding the macaroni to the pan, I should say. You make as much as you like. Come on. I'll be back after I get it all added, and I'll cook it until it's tender. For me, it's 13 minutes. Now I'll show you how I crack the eggs. I do it on my table. I'll do it here so you can see it better. And just press it down. Get it all cracked. I'll do one more. It's better on a table. And crack it. Put it back in the water. Then we'll peel them. And soda method is a flop. I have better results with just ordinary water. The good thing is, no one's going to see the mistake. You're going to chop it up and put it in a mac salad. Now I'll just chop up an egg for you. Like I said, I tried the different methods of actually trying to get the eggs to peel better. The best one is just ordinary water. If you want to add some salt to it, you can. And crack it after you dump it in cold water to cool it down. And then under warm water, peel it. That's how you cook the egg, and that's how I chop it up. First thing I'll do is clean my celery. Cut the white part off. Flip it over. And cut it like this because I like smaller pieces. I'll be doing 3 celery stalks. I'm just showing you real quickly how I cut it. I rough cut it like that. I'll be back once it's done. Here's another money-saving tip. You see the celery leaves? Do not toss them out. Chop it up and add it to your soup when you make soup. I don't believe in wasting stuff. That's another money-saving tip. Next, I'll be chopping up my onion. I always cut the top and bottom off. Then I make a slit like that to get the outer skin off of them. Yeah, get the outer skin off of it. There we go. Got that outer skin off of it. And now I'll chop it. Chop it any way you like it. I do it the way I actually do it. I actually get off all the skin. I make little lines down here. And then I'll do it the other way, the opposite direction. That way when we slice it, it's already diced up. That's the way my mom did it. That's the way I do it too. So, you turn it on inside, and it's already cut. I'll be back after I'm done. Next, I'll open my peas and drain them, and then dump them into my bowl with my celery. So far, I added the onion, the can of peas, which was drained, the hard-boiled eggs, and the celery. So it's onion, celery, peas, eggs in there. Now I'll do the macaroni in there. Now I'm going to get me my macaroni. That's all already cooked and cooled. And I'm going to dump some of that in. I dump about half of it in to see if I need the rest of it. And I'll mix it up to see whether I need the rest or not. You add the stuff to your own taste. I put half that big onion in there. And I put 3 stalks of celery in here. And I put some eggs in here. I like eggs in mine. So you just stir it up. Yeah, I'll add the rest of it. At least a little bit more. I don't measure it when I'm making macaroni salad. I just go by what it looks like. And then after I get that mixed in together, then I'll do the mayonnaise. Like I said, I don't measure the mayonnaise either. I just mix it in. And yes, this is enough salad to feed an army. But that's how I cook. Let me get me my tablespoon out. And I'll be measuring it. Ho, ho, ho. Me measure. Let me see. That's 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4. I'll put 5 in there to see. I like mine creamy. I don't know if you guys like yours creamy, but I like it creamy. So I use a lot of mayonnaise. Add 9 tablespoons mayonnaise and stir thoroughly. This is what it looks like done. Now, Duke's mayonnaise is the only one that don't have any sugar in it. So if you're a diabetic, that's the mayonnaise you would want to use because it doesn't have any sugar. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.